Perplexity Comet versus Skira App. So Perplexity Comet is actually an AI-powered web browser, while Skira App is actually a minimalistic open-source AI search engine. So in this video, we will actually compare these two together. Let's start with Perplexity AI Comet. So Perplexity Comet is a full-featured AI web browser built by Perplexity that functions as an intelligent assistant to help users browse, research, and complete tasks. It has AI agents that can understand and complete complex tasks. It has multi-tab understanding, which is more efficient at handling and synthesizing information. And it also has productivity focus designed to unlock new levels of productivity. Now, the early adopters, researchers who want intelligent assistant can actually use Perplexity Comet. However, it's actually a paid product with subscription fees. Meanwhile, Skira AI is a free, open source AI powered engine designed to be lightweight alternative to Perplexity. It has AI powered summarization with citations if you're doing research, and it's also an open source project with more flexibility to users. So if you want a free, simple, and privacy-focused AI search experience, then I recommend Skira. But if you want the full experience for the web, you can use the Perplexity AI comment. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.